So the way you have to get this thing off is to, one, use this tool, which should come with the newer Swamp Runner kits. And I don't even know what you call it, but it goes in here. But you have to take off the front cowling and brace the flywheel, or else it'll just keep spinning like you see. Could do it without this, but it doesn't. Here you get your big wrenches, flywheel here, brace to keep this from turning, okay? See, won't turn. And brace, and then just go, put your body into it. Come on. It can be a booger. This has been on here for a while, about a year. This is always the hardest part. It's just getting this part out. There should be plenty of grease down in there, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. See? Right on off. And there was plenty of grease down in there. Always grease that part. Plenty of grease in there. Plenty.